This store operates on a dropshipping system and sells this product. Last month it made more than $18,000 from selling this product alone, all without spending a dollar on ads. All they do is create content on TikTok for this product. They record videos and post them daily, and they have placed the store link in the bio so that when customers click on it, they are directed to the product page and purchase the product. This product is sold for about $50, while its cost is less than $10, allowing them to achieve a large profit margin, with more than 370 orders completed last month. Today, I'll teach you step by step how to build a professional online store on Shopify and how to find a supplier to supply these products at low prices so that you can achieve a large profit margin. Subscribe to the channel and like this video because I post profitable products daily. Step 1. We create an online store on Shopify. I will leave the Shopify registration link in the video description, through which you will get a free trial for 3 days. And then your first 3 months on Shopify will be $1 per month instead of $32. You will start by entering your email and registering your account. After creating the online store, we move to step 2, which is to find a supplier to import products for the store from. Once you receive orders from customers, they can easily ship these products. This supplier is Zendrop. The Zendrop app offers a free plan, has thousands of profitable products, and provides auto-fulfillment, fast shipping, and professional support. We will begin by installing the app on the store, and after installing the app, we will click on Apps and select Zendrop. From here we can search for the product name, which is the product this person is working with. We will open the product, and here you'll find all the product details. Below you'll find the variants, which include the available colors of the product. Here you will see the product cost and the shipping cost, which varies by country. We can select any country to see its shipping cost. Here the total cost is displayed, along with the average shipping duration. To add this product to the store, click Add to My Products. After that, we can go back and add more products to the store in the same way. Then we will click on My Products and we will find the products here. We'll start by clicking on Review and Publish. From here we can edit everything before publishing the product to the store, such as the product name, product description, variants, and sale price. Here I could sell the product at the same price they're selling it for, $50. And the profit per item sold will be displayed here. You can also choose the images to publish on the store. Then click Publish to My Store and then click Confirm, and with that the product is published to the store. We will go to Shopify, click on Products, and we will find the product here. We can open the product and from here, edit all product details and sale price again if you wish to change it. To view the product's appearance on the store, click Preview. Of course, the product page is not professional at all. To create a professional product page, I'll leave a link in the video description to a full video where I explain how to build and design a professional online store on Shopify. Now, after designing the store and linking the payment gateway, and once the customer orders the product and pays for it, you will go to Zendrop, click on Fulfill Order, add funds equal to the product cost, and ship the product to the customer. With the free plan, Zendrop provides 25 orders that you can fulfill. After that, if you want unlimited orders, you can subscribe to a paid plan. The last step is to create an account on TikTok and Instagram, put the store link in the bio, then create daily content for the product you choose, and start selling it through dropshipping. If you have any questions, leave them in a comment. Goodbye.